Thinking about buying your first cryptocurrency? Good. That's a smart move. Crypto has already become a real part of the modern financial world. But beginners almost always run into the same questions. Where do you start? How do you actually buy it? The truth is, purchasing crypto isn't any harder than buying something in a regular online store. In this video, I'll walk you through the essentials and give you a clear, simple guide to making your first purchase. Let's get started. The first step is choosing a reliable platform. If you're new to crypto, it's always better to start with large, well-established services. These platforms operate worldwide and give you a simple, user-friendly way to buy cryptocurrency. Avoid small or unknown websites and apps. They can be unreliable. What really matters is reputation, proper licensing, and clear terms of use. You can also use the Cropty Wallet app. It's a next-generation custodial crypto wallet that offers a high level of security and provides 24/7 customer support, something every beginner truly needs. If you ever get stuck, someone will help you. And your funds are protected by the newest security protocols, so you don't have to worry about safety. Now, Cropty Wallet doesn't let you buy crypto directly inside the app, but it does help you find a trusted platform where you can make a purchase safely and in just a few clicks. All you need to do is open the wallet, choose the buy option, select your country and the cryptocurrency you want. Cropty will automatically analyze the available services and show you the best and most reliable platforms for your specific purchase. You'll see all the details, the transaction amount, how much crypto you'll receive, the exact fee, and the payment method. It's extremely convenient. We've also added a list of verified and trustworthy platforms in the description under this video. Make sure to check it out after watching. And next, we're going to walk step by step through the entire process of buying cryptocurrency. Stay tuned. Once you've chosen the platform where you're going to make your purchase, the next step is creating an account. The registration itself usually takes just a couple of minutes. You enter your email, set a strong password, and confirm your email address. After that, many platforms will ask you to complete identity verification. This normally means uploading a photo of your passport or driver's license and taking a quick selfie. It's a standard security step that helps protect both the platform and its users from fraud. But keep in mind, not every service requires verification. For example, Cropty Wallet doesn't require any KYC at all, which is a big advantage for new users. And once you've completed these basic steps, your account is ready. You'll have your own profile and your own crypto wallet address. The whole process is quick and straightforward. You'll get through it without any trouble. Most exchanges offer thousands of different cryptocurrencies. But for your very first purchase, it's better not to chase anything exotic. The smartest and safest choice is to start with Bitcoin, Ethereum, or XRP. These are the most well-known, the most stable, and the most liquid assets on the market. Their biggest advantage is simple. Millions of people use them every day. That means you'll always find a good buy order, and you won't run into problems with liquidity. So if you're just beginning your crypto journey, start with these coins. They're the most reliable and time-tested option for newcomers. Once you've decided which coin you want to buy, you can move on to the actual purchase. There are several ways to do it. You can buy crypto directly on an exchange using your bank card, you can use P2P trading, or you can go through third-party exchange services. And if you prefer exchanges, I really recommend checking out the free aggregator Best Change. It's a convenient place to compare reliable options. No matter which method you choose, the process is almost always the same. You go to the purchase section, enter the amount you want to spend. It can be as little as $10 or $20, or choose how much crypto you want to receive. Then you add your card details or select your payment method and hit Buy. Most transactions are completed within a few minutes, sometimes even in seconds. And once it's done, the cryptocurrency will appear in your balance. Welcome to the world of crypto. Now, let's walk through a full example of how to buy cryptocurrency from start to finish. Seeing the process step by step will make everything much clearer. We'll take the Bybit exchange as our example and use a bank card for the purchase. This is the simplest and most beginner-friendly method. First, log into your account and switch to the simplified interface. It's much easier to navigate and is perfect for anyone who's just starting out. Next, simply select the Buy option. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to buy and enter the amount you're ready to spend. If you haven't added your bank card yet, the platform will ask you to link it at this stage. The process is quick. Just enter your card details and the confirmation code. Once everything is filled in, simply tap Confirm. Once your card is linked, you can proceed with the payment. Double-check all the details and then hit Confirm. That's it. You've just bought your first cryptocurrency. Congratulations! After you purchase your cryptocurrency, we strongly recommend transferring it to a reliable and secure crypto wallet. Cropty Wallet is a great option for that. It's a safe place to store your assets. In the description of this video, we've added a set of helpful guides that will help you understand how to use the wallet. Make sure to check it out. Congratulations! You've completed all the steps and bought your first cryptocurrency. And this is only the beginning of your journey. Just remember, the crypto market is highly volatile. Prices can change very quickly, so never invest your money into unverified or questionable projects until you've gained enough experience. Keep exploring new opportunities, learn how to analyze the market, and always follow basic security rules when dealing with decentralized finance. Welcome to the world of crypto, and see you in the next videos.